Hello friends, I am one of the participants of International FDP on Environmental Sustainability. My name is Dheeraj Pirari. My institute name is MEPS KBTCU in Nasik. My department is Information Technology. My subject is Green Materials. We have to use the instruments manufacturing process, city Nasik, state Maharashtra. My week 1 video details is here. Week 1 video is based on environmental sustainability. It includes life cycle assessment, low carbon life cycle, types of environments and types of natural ecosystem. My week 2 video is totally depends upon the computer science and software engineering standards. It consists of computer science standards and its uses for sustainable development of software, advantages and disadvantages and scope of computer science standards in project development. After learning this video, student will able to discuss the properties and applications of green concrete related to the environmental and sustainability, select the environment and sustainability and computer science standards, calculate the eco footprint of household emissions and accordingly act to reduce it, create a service learning projects related to the software engineering and develop a critical reflexives. These all 5 are the outcomes after learning of these videos. Next one, what is meant by green material? Green material consists of bamboo, wood, hemp, wool, straw, clay, stone, sand, coconut, beeswax and linen. There are some fun facts of these green materials. First one is bamboo. Bamboo used for building houses, road reinforcement. Black bamboo should help treat kidney diseases. Bamboo fabric is breathable, thermal regulating, wicks moisture better than the polyester performance or fabrics. Natural food, preservatives and bamboo vinegar. Wood is used for low carbon footprint, can replace material like steel, aluminum, concrete or plastic. Strain for weight ratio 20% higher than the structural steel and 4 to 5 times better than the non-reinforced concrete in compression. As an insulator, wood is 15 times better than the monastery and 14 times better than the steel and 1770 times better than the aluminum. Seeds are highly nutritious. Only plant that contains all the essential fatty acids and amino acids required for the body functions, including the metabolism, the skin and the brain and the heart. Natural ingredients in locations and many other skins, hairs and cosmetic products. Hemp oil used to create biofuels to replace gasoline for the diesel engines. Wool, naturally high ultraviolet protection which is much higher than most synthetic and cotton. It is a biodegradable, large capacity to absorb moisture, vapor and sweat. A single fiber can be bent 20,000 times without breaking and still have a power to recover and return to its normal shape or its natural shape. Linen, made from the fibers the flax plant linum. It is used 2 or more times stronger than cotton. Linen seed oil used as a pigment binder in oil paints and as a plasticizers and harden in putty. Next is straw. It is an environmentally beginning and it sequesters carbons. It is used as a carbon neutral energy source in increasing the rapidly briquettes are biofuel and substitute to. It is used to blind clay and concrete. It is used to composable food packaging and will biodegradable in a commercial composite environmental. Clay, heat and electrical insulator are made from clay. Rock and stone are used for wall cladding, for floor and paving. Sand is used as binding and bulking the agent in the manufacture of bricks, caulk, concrete mortar. Beeswax is a natural alternative to paraffin wax. Beeswax is used to many skin care products because it provides a protection against irritant while still allowing the skin to breathe. Beeswax candles are often especially helpful for those with asthma or allergies to dust. Coconut, excellent moisture. It also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It is used to rope mat, door mat, brushes, sacks, caulking for boards, and stuffing fibers for mattresses and pillows. And it is used in horticulture in potting compost. There are some list of ISO, IEEE and industry standards. There are some norms. First one is the ISO 15392 2008. Status is withdrawn. Publication date 2008 5. Edition 1. Number of pages 20. Technical committee ISO TC 59 SC 17. Sustainability in building in civil engineering works. In ISO 15392 2008 identifies and establishes the general principle of sustainability in building construction. It is based on the concept of sustainable development and it applies to the life cycle building and other construction works from their inception to the end of the life. In 15392-2008 is applicable to the building and other construction works individually and collectively, as well as the material, products, services and process related to the life cycle of buildings and other construction works. Next ISO standard is ISO 26000 2010 is published. Publication date 2010 and 11. Edition 1. Number of pages 106. ISO IMBG Technical Management Board Group. It's intended to assist organizations contributing in sustainable development. It intended to encourage them to go beyond the legal compliances. Recognizing and compliance with law is a fundamental duty of organization and essential part of their responsibilities. It is intended to promote the common understanding in the field of social responsibility and to complement other instruments and initiatives for a social responsibility, not to place them. Applying ISO 26000-2010, it is advisable that an organization take consideration social, environmental, legal, cultural and political and organization diversity as well as differences in economic conditions while being consistent with international norms of its and behavior. Next one is ISO 20121-2012 published 2012. Edition 1. Number of pages 42. Technical Management Board. ISO it is applicable to many organizations that wishes to establish, implement, maintain and improve the event sustainability management system, ensure that it is in compatibility with the stated sustainable development policy, demonstrate the voluntary conformity with ISO 20121 and 2012 by first party, that means self-determination and self-declaration, second party confirmation and conformance by parties having the interest in the organization such as client with persons on other behalf or independent in third party for the certification body. It is also used for event management cycle. Next one is ISO 20400-2017 is published in 2017 for edition 1. Number of pages 52. It provides a guidance to the organization development of their activities or size on integrating sustainability within procurement, and as described in ISO 26000, it is intended for stakeholders involved or impacted by procurement decisions and processes. Next one is ISO TS 2630-2019 is published in 2019. Month is 12. Edition 1. Number of pages 40. It is document provides a guidance is related to the food product, guidance for using ISO 26000-2010 in the food chain by focusing on major aspects from the 7 core subjects, namely organization governance, human rights, labor practices, environmental, fair operating practices, consumer issue and community in involvement and development. The main objective is to help organization in the food chain. There are some advantages of this green material. This green material consists of multiple standards, and it is useful for reduce the impact on natural environment and biodiversity. It is useful for reduce the use of finite resources accordance with achieving a sustainable eco footprint. It is useful for reduce the energy and water inputs to reduce the embodied energy and water. It is useful for reduce the waste generated during the material life cycle flows. It is useful for where available OPT for local material and product to reduce the transport energy impact, enhance the human health, contribute to healthy indoor air quality, means low VOC emissions, toxicity and inflammability in the event of fire. It is also there no issue is appraisal committee team give environmental clearance for those who build the buildings using the most sustainable material. These are some advantages of using this green material. What is meant by ecological footprint? Ecological footprint is essential a measure of a human consumption. Ecological footprint always compares the human demands on nature, which is biosphere ability to regenerate resources and provides the services. Globally, ecological footprint is larger than the Earth's biocapacity. It is about the 50%, and this margin is always growing. Ecological footprint. Simplest way to define ecological footprint would be a call is the impact of human activities measured in terms of area, biologically productive land and water required to produce a good consumed and assimilate the waste generated. More simply, it is amount of environmental necessary to produce the goods and services necessary to support the particular life cycle. In this, according to national accounts, for the year 2014, the total Earth biocapacity is estimated 1.7 global hectares per person, but humanity ecological footprint has reached 2006 gigahertz per person. Correspondingly, the number of plants demanded by all humans is now 1.53 plants and growing. These are the diagram of ecological footprint, number of years 61, 65, 69, 73, 77, 81, grazing land, forest land, build up lands, crop land and finishing land. And most upper part is a carbon. It is a continuously increasing nature. This is some ecological footprint. It consists of some energy, self-emitted, timber, sandpapers, food fiber, seafoods, carbon footprints, build up land, forest, cropland feature and fisheries. Here are more is compared to the carbon footprint, build up land, forest, cropland features and fishery, which all the are compared to the energy, timber and pages, food fiber and seafood. These are the some ecological footprint measures how fast we consume the resources and regenerate the waste. This is one of the diagram. Ecological footprint should it always increasing 1 earth to 1.7 earths year wise. Next one is the carbon emission and footprint calculation consumption. How it is calculated? Household emission calculator is given here. We have to enter here how many periods. Here we select the months, how many number of adults, how many number of kids available at home. With the help of this, enter this value, we have to calculate the home energy, travel and household waste. In this way, we have to calculate the carbon emission. How the household emission calculator with the help of another calculator, home energy. In this way, we have to calculate the energy consumption in our home. We have to enter the reticulated gas, liquid fuels, solid fuels, LPG we have to use, how many LPG we have to use, electricity uses. With the help of this calculator, we have to give some the reduction tips, how to reduce the energy consumption in our home. There's what this calculator. With the help of this, we have to calculate the footprint calculations. Next is the carbon emission, footprint calculation and consumption. Traveling, we have to use this for motorcycle, car, how many number of liters petrol we have to use. Air travel, public transport, accommodation is required or not. With the help of this, we have to enter the value, and with the help of this, we have to calculate the carbon emission or footprint calculation. Household waste, recycling is compulsory needed to each and every home. With the help of this, we have to calculate the CO2 or carbon emission. The carbon emission footprint calculator computation, it consists of the years, period April, number of adults available, number of kids in your home. With the help of this, we have to calculate the home energy, travel required, household waste. With the help of this, we have to calculate the carbon emission footprint calculation or it is a computation. Reducing the ecological footprint, there are only three ways. First way, they improve the bioproductivity in the nature. In ways that sustainable and harmless bioproductive areas can be increased through reforestation and soil management. Use harvested resource better and consume less. There are three major or three fundamental ways that humanity can reduce its ecological footprint. First, improve the bioproductivity of nature, use harvested resource better and consume less. Sustainability competition standard. There are many sustainability competition standards. This standard is applicable to all the materials which are available in the green material, and a green material it is called as a sustainable material. First one is ISO 19624 2018, ISO 22157 2019. The carbon storage and sequestration rates for bamboo is 3 to 121 mg per hour and 6 to 13 per year respectively. This is the diagram distribution of bamboo worldwide. Concrete, steel, wood, bamboo, they are mentioned here, density and energy production. This is the first standard is ISO 19624-2108, published 2018 and 9, edition 1, number of pages is 22. Timber structure. This document specifies the grading procedure for visually and mechanically sorting grounds for pole, bamboo and structural application using such as fundamental elements. Visual sorting in based on observable characteristics of the piece. Mechanical sorting based and non-destructive measurement properties known to correlate with these characteristics. Value defining a grade. This grading procedure is a document can be used to quality of acceptance regime, and although this document does not define or address acceptance criteria, this document is applicable for only bamboo that is graded in the seastone state. ISO 22157-2019 is published 2019, edition 1, number of pages, timber structure. This document specifies the test procedure for specimens obtained from round bamboo plumes. This data is obtained from test method can be used to establish the characteristics, physical or mechanical properties to use the structural engineering design for other scientific purposes. This document provides the method for evaluating the following physical strength properties like moisture, mass, density and length properties. There are some codes which are used for the sustainability development or green environment. We cannot solve our problems with same thinking we use when we are greater than Albert Einstein. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Robert Swan. There is no such thing as a way. When we throw anything away, it must go somewhere. Thank you.